Hey, why is staring at me? He's just cussing me in his mind. I just got into the market. I had to park inside bush because like the market is filled up. People are really shopping for Christmas, but I just parked now and we're about to head over to the thrift place first. I'm also going to get like food stuff, so but I won't start with the thrift just I've not packed. I also have to get food stuff, so that's what we're heading to. But I'm not going to go with my camera because guys, like we're in Nigeria, so it's my bag. Okay. Guys, am I the only one that doesn't like to withdraw money from ATM? Like, I don't know, somehow I just like withdrawing money from those roadside people because it's like very fast, stress-free. See my brother, he's just cussing me in his mind like I'm so let's go, guys. Horrible just happened. I don't know if you guys can see me. I'm under the sun. As I was driving, I just noticed that there was smoke behind me and it was coming from my car, so I had to stop. And when I opened the engine, there was oil all over the engine. So we had like, I don't even know what to do. Baby is at home and I've been out for a very long time. So we're done with the car. We just have to manage it and go home. Then my husband's mechanic will just come and take care of it. I'm waiting for my brother. These are the things that I got. These are baby's clothes. These are Gina's clothes. These are Ife's clothes. This is like 2 days after going to the market, and I just finished taking out my braids, my all back braids. Like, it's not how to wash it or how to just, you know, take care of it, because it's really, I'm going to wash it anyway by myself under the shower, but it's really stressful. It's becoming stressful for me. I don't know if I told you guys, my cousin had to leave for Christmas and New Year holiday, so it's just me, my brother and the kids. Hubby traveled and I'm doing most of the things, so it's really not easy for me. When I went to the market, we stood for a very long time, we walked for a very long time, and today I washed the thrifted clothes, so it's like my feet is burning, it's paining me, like really paining me. Which good. It's late now. Gina, why are you staring at me? Nobody's talking to you. No, I didn't wake you up. You were awake. So guys, it's really late. I'm trying to arrange baby's clothes, like a lot of clothes for me. For me, I know it's not a lot for some people. I just have a lot of clothes gifted by some people to baby Ola. Baby Ola has loads of clothes. This beautiful gown and dresses. Sorry. She has lots of dresses and clothes and shoes and everything. You know, she got this from a friend. A friend gifted her all these dresses and this one too. And I'm just trying to arrange her wardrobe. So I thrifted last week. I thrifted on Tuesday and I got this bag. It's supposed to be like a laundry bag. I'm going to be using it to put her, I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet, because I just realized that her wardrobe is not as big as I thought. I wanted it, but it's actually really small. I didn't know baby was going to have this much clothes, so I'm going to use this for something which I don't know yet. I'm thinking of just putting her bodysuit and play suit inside there. Sorry if you're not hearing me well because of the fan. So I'm thinking of putting her. Don't worry. If to reduce it means you have to turn it off. Mom. So this is what it looks like.
Mom, there are 2 buttons that can make it high and low.
Is the high? Did you put it in the high one?
Yeah.
Oh, you touched it.
Mom, did I tell the fan?
Sorry. But I'm going to use this to put some things, which I'm thinking I should put her play suits, her onesies. Sorry, her onesies and her bodysuit. I think I should put them here because she just has a lot of other clothes. I just finished having my bath. My battery is too low. I just finished having my bath, and yeah, my hair is a mess, but my hair is actually, now I'm transitioning from relaxed hair to natural. It's been over a year or some, like, let me say 11 months plus. So guys, I don't know if I'm the only one this one happens to. I just want to ask, like, moms and breastfeeding moms, my baby is sleepy right now. My boobs, one of my boobs is full. Is it normal for just one to be full, the other is not, that it's not full? Like this one is full, this one is nothing is inside, or something inside but it's not full. And then see your girl sleeping, and I don't feel like pumping is not like stressful for me. I don't know how people just continue doing that. Maybe because I'm not doing what do you call that thing, exclusive. Maybe that's why. So hubby just went to pick up this item for me. I actually got it from mom. I got one of it from Mom to Mom Market, and the other one I got from Shoes something household items, I think. So I got this knife. My kids don't usually like yam, and they love Irish potato chips. So I got this knife that I would use to be cutting those kind of things and to just make it financially yam. And I just got this idea. Let me share with you guys. So for those of us that our kids don't like yam, what we can be doing is, when you cut it with a knife like this, please, if you're going to buy it from the Shooks, tell her Diary of an Abuja Mom recommended her. So I'm going to like cut the yam with the knife, and then I'm going to dip it in egg, you know, whisked egg. Hola. My time. So I'm going to dip it there, and I'm going to now fry it. So I think it will make them like it. I've not tried it, but it just came to my mind. I'm going to try it.
What it is? Wow! Whoa. I'm
going to hang this in Gina's room. And I love that it has your favorite colors. Pink and
yellow
and blue.
And the flowers.
Yeah.
Is Ife's color and my color. Yeah. Pink and green and polka dots.
Yeah. So this is really nice.
Are these gifts? This bag gift too.
No, that's this bag.
Wait.
This is the knife I was. She's
look at this knife.
So this is the knife I was telling you guys about. Wow. Hey, screwed on full. So this is the knife. What's
that?
Oh, she sent me a gift. It's Shug's gift and household. She sent me hand wash. Wow. I've forgotten. There's something else I got. I've forgotten that I got it. It's actually candle.
Mom, look. Is this P or
That's
D?
D.
Told ya. What is this?
These are candles.
Candles? How is that candle?
Yeah. Hi, Allah.
Our parents' ship went down in the Southern Sea 6 years ago.
I see him in your faces.
I'm really sorry, guys. I've not vlogged for a very long time. I've not vlogged for over, I think, a week plus, just because a lot of things have been happening. My cousin left for Christmas/New Year. My brother left to hobby travel, then came back. So it's been just me. I've not just even been in the mood of carrying my camera to vlog, but I'm super happy that, you know, I'm getting a hang of it. Things are changing. How was your Christmas? My Christmas was actually fun. We also had a sleepover at our family friend's house too on 26th. You know, it now gave me morale. Like, it's removed a lot of stress, at least emotional stress, I mean mental stress. But it's not easy, really. Like, I've never experienced not having a help, like somebody helping me during Christmas. I've never experienced it before. I just got somebody that will be coming Monday, Wednesdays and Saturdays, so the stress will be a bit relieved. I did a lot of cleanup. Both of us did a lot of cleanup today because I just wanted to reduce. I have a lot of load in my house, guys. I just wanted to reduce the load. So let me know how your Christmas was in the comment section. And Merry Christmas from all of us, guys. We didn't make our hair. My hairdresser disappointed me. Fair single.
Is that like dinner?
Okay.
Then what's the starting of your own? Jingle bells. Okay. No, I know my starting. Jingle bells, jingle on the way. Santa bringing presents so you can play with them. Jingle bells, jingle on the way.
Oh, Santa bringing presents to play. To play.
Santa bringing presents so we can play with them.
Yeah.
Jingle bells, jingle on the way. Santa's bringing presents on 25th December today. Oh, jingle bells, jingle on the way. Santa's bringing presents on 25th December today.